Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Bluetooth not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update without wasting any time. Let's start this video. Solution number 1, Bluetooth is turned on. Firstly, tap on Setting app. You can see appears on screen. Tap on Bluetooth. Bluetooth toggle off and 10 to 20 seconds back toggle on. And problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying this solution number 2. Solution number 2 is airplane mode on and turn off back. Firstly, tap on Setting app. You can see appears on screen. Airplane mode toggle on and 10 to 20 seconds back toggle off. And problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying this solution number 3. Solution number 3 is reset network settings. Firstly, tap on Setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on General, scroll up, tap on Transfer Reset iPhone, tap on Reset Setting, tap on Reset Network Settings, enter your iPhone passcode. You can see appears on screen. Reset network settings. This will delete all network settings, returning them to factory defaults. Tap on Reset network settings to confirm this action and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying this solution number 4. Solution number 4 is hard reset your iPhone. Firstly, tap on Setting app and go back. Press the power button and press the volume up button. Press the volume down button and problem is fixed. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying this solution number 5. Solution number 5 is factory reset iPhone. Firstly, tap on Setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on General, scroll up, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap on Erase all content and settings, tap on Continue, enter your iPhone passcode. You can see appears on screen. Factory reset iPhone to confirm this action and problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact with support.apple.com and fix your problem. How to fix Bluetooth not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.